Welcome everyone. My name's Joelle and today we have a short yoga flow focused on hips and lower back, using lots of different variations of butterfly pose, so it should feel really nice. And we'll get started on our backs, bringing the soles of the feet together and the knees out wide. Maybe resting the hands on the belly to feel your breath flowing in and out as the hands rise and fall. Settling in here, closing the eyes, and thanking yourself for turning up today. Now let's bring the hands up overhead, keeping the legs as they are. Take hold of the right wrist with the left hand. Let's gently pull the upper body over towards the left. So we're making a little bit of a half banana shape with the upper body here. And think about really breathing into that right side body, opening up through the intercostal muscles. Maybe feeling this a little bit more in the right hip. As we come back to center and switch sides, right hand gently pulling the left wrist over towards the right. Butterfly pose is wonderful for so many reasons, not the least of which are releasing the hips and lower back, also through the adductors. And we can play around as we are today to work on some other parts of the body at the same time. Now let's keep the right knee open as it is and gently pull the left leg in towards the chest. So holding on in the front of the shin or behind the thigh. Still pressing that lower back down. And we'll release and pull the right knee in towards the chest now. Noticing if one side maybe feels a little bit different from the other. Working those hip flexors here. And gently letting that go. And let's help the knees back together so that you can slowly roll over to one side and we'll meet in a seated position. And it might feel good here just to give the legs a little bit of a shake before bringing the soles of the feet back together into seated butterfly now. You're welcome to sit up on a pillow or just prop yourself up with the hands behind you. Opening up the chest, little back bend here. Think about pulling the heart towards the sky. You could even come up onto fingertips. You may be looking up at the ceiling, if that's all right on the neck. And let's let that go. And now we'll offset the feet a little bit. So just inch the left foot forward so that heel is pressing into the arch of the right foot. And we'll twist towards the left. Maybe holding the left ankle with the right hand, still keeping a nice straight spine here. Wringing it out, noticing where you feel this. And coming back to center. And folding forwards. And it might not be very far, you might simply nod the chin towards the chest. You might stay propped up on fingertips, or you might simply hold onto the feet and let gravity sink you forwards. Very nice. Wherever you are, let's straighten up again. Give those knees a little bit of a shake like you're waving your butterfly wings. And we'll try the other side. So inching the right foot forwards now, with that heel to the left arch and twisting towards the right. And just a couple of breaths here. And once more coming back towards center and folding over those legs any amount here. And I do have lots of other hips and lower back videos, which I will link to below in case you'd like to try something a little bit longer after this one. Beautiful. Let's roll our way back up. We'll even out the feet now, bring them a little bit further away from the body. We're going to fold forwards again. So you can bring the feet out as far as you would like. And that might mean that you're able to walk the hands forwards a little bit further. Might even mean that you can weave the arms underneath the legs. And just let the upper body hang heavy. And this variation is actually called turtle pose, and it's one of my favorites. So nice for releasing the lower back. So a few more deep breaths here. Sending the breath anywhere it is needed, anywhere you feel sensation. And very slowly we'll begin to straighten back up. Rolling the shoulders back, bringing the knees back together, and just rocking them from side to side, shaking that off. Any little movements here that feel good and right for you. And once you're ready, we can meet in a seated position of your choice. Maybe shaking out the neck a little bit, or giving yourself a hug to say thank you. And I say thank you to you as well. Wonderful job today. And if you think I did a good job, I would appreciate you hitting that like button. It really helps me out. And I do hope to see you again soon for another video. Have a beautiful day, everyone. Bye.